In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to use Apple Pay or Google Pay on McDonald's app. First, download and open the McDonald's app on your iPhone or Android device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Go ahead and browse the menu and add your favorite items to the cart. Burgers, fries, drinks, anything you want. Once you are ready, tap on the checkout button. At the checkout, you'll see different payment options. On iPhone, you'll see Apple Pay. On Android device, you'll see Google Pay. Tap the one you want to use. For Apple Pay, double tap the side button and confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode. For Google Pay, select your card in the Google Pay pop up and verify with fingerprint, PIN, or passcode. Once confirmed, your payment is processed instantly. Tap Place Order and you are done. Your receipt will show Apple Pay or Google Pay as the payment method, and that's it. That's how you use Apple Pay or Google Pay on the McDonald's app. And that's it. This is how you can easily use Apple Pay or Google Pay on McDonald's app. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.